I won't. I won't.
I'm not gonna film while I'm driving.
Hey everybody, welcome to this video. Today what we're going to be doing is we're actually going to be giving the Royal Starship, aka my car, a good nice wash. Now last video it was me putting up the decorations like this and this. Well, today is actually going to be cleaning it, deep cleaning, like deep cleaning it, vacuuming it, wiping it down, cleaning everything about this car. This is basically what my car looks like right now. It looks so bad, like literally so bad, that it really needs a fix. And hopefully I'm crossing my fingers that the setup that I have right now is working. It's gonna work because like it's so funny. But it is currently 5:38 and it is March 10th. Pump gas because I am very low. It's not very low, like it's not on the red zone, but it's pretty low. I'm about to be on my way. So excited. I'm just gonna talk to y'all about my day. My day at school was pretty alright. I didn't really eat lunch today. Oh. Now I'm driving one-handed, which I can do. I usually drive one-handed, but not while trying to balance a whole tripod.
I'm not gonna film while I'm driving.
There you go. I'm debating if I should go wash my car first and then put gas in it so it can be like fresh for when I come home. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go to a car wash by school, which is like 15-ish minutes away, just because that's the car wash that I trust and that I know and that I love. I feel like I'm gonna have to take the roads there because it's traffic out. It's 5:43 p.m. That's literally so annoying. Like my biggest pet peeve is cars not letting you go. Like I let every car go. Not every car, but I let like 1 or 2 cars go before I continue going. But like people here are just so rude and ruthless. Oh my gosh. Where do you expect us to go? I literally hate traffic for this exact reason. Like that EMS would have made it to their destination by now if it weren't for all of this stupid traffic. Like that's so annoying. And then now this line isn't even moving and the light is freaking green. Y'all, I have big road rage. Like I talk my shit. But that's a thing. So, I mean, I guess. And then my glasses aren't even up here, I don't think. Yeah, they're not up here. So I have to use this thing, this visor. But I prefer looking cool with my glasses.
The podium knowing they gonna stare at this. It was the time of our lives, look back and cherish it. We at the money
Okay, I got my glasses. This is literally so fun. I'm having some like time to just take care of my car. I can't believe I'm even calling it my car. I've literally I've had to resist so many times where I just wanted to clean my car, but I ended up not because I was like, I want to record a video where it's just so dirty and so gross that it's just like so satisfying when you clean it up. It's like purposely not cleaning something and letting it get bad so that when you clean it, it looks so satisfying and so good compared to how it was before. It makes sense to me and that's all that matters. Oh my gosh. Are you okay? I'm literally kind of excited to clean my car and kind of excited to just go through the motions of going through the actual, what's it called? The actual like car wash where like foam stuff and you're like just getting, you put your car in neutral and you're just like going through it. And this is the light where I'm literally going to be stuck here for freaking ever. Like, look at all of this. Look at all of it. Those are all cars.
What in the world?
Like, this is crazy. I'm gonna jam out and I'll meet you when I'm there. Okay guys, we're here. to yell, so I'm gonna yell. But yeah, now I'm gonna go and vacuum my car. Alright guys, this is now the end result. If y'all remembered what everything
miserable when he was alive, right? Like he was fucking
looked
miserable.
like.
He had no money.
I'm gonna try to put it right there playing. But yeah, I'm done washing my car. I'm gonna go home now. I'm gonna put gas in my car first. We're golden!